everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club. How are you all doing? I just wish everyone is fine. As you all know, we always discuss amazing project in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to discuss another great project. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before this, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications.
Okay guys, the moment you've been waiting for has finally come, because I just found a new exchange that honestly blowing my mind with everything it offers. It's called GetX, and right now they're giving away a 25 USDT welcome bonus for free. So this reward is only for the first 2 million users, and more than 2 lakh have already claimed it. So you will need to be act fast to get your reward. All you have to do is head over to the website. You have to create your account, complete KYC, and the 25 USDT will be dropped into your account's voucher. It's that simple. I did it in just a few minutes. Because GetX is not just another regular exchange, it's a full ecosystem that built for crypto traders, holders, and even project creators. If you want spot trading, yup, it's there. If you want USDM feature, absolutely with super low fees, and even options trading if you are into the high level stuff, all in one place. So this is the best and safest platform for you. You can say that this is a best platform in which you can invest, and you will get all these things in one platform. If you want to earn and grow with GetX, there's simple earn available. With this you can earn passive income through flexible or fixed deposit at rates that beat most platform out there. You need a quick loan. GetX has complete crypto loans where you can borrow without selling your asset. Prefer staking. There's two range of token as well. And here's something I really love: their trading competitions and the rewards to fit. So you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the best crypto trading platform. You get unbeatable speed, security audited, ultra low fees, and 24/7 customer support from there. So you can register and get reward as well. Here we are going to get some of their latest announcements. Like if you are into the new projects and early launchers, GetX has you covered to the market. And then here we have the most of the details that they are giving more facilities, and they are giving more sustainability to the users, like trade 100% earn with you share, the partnership maximize your gains, claim rewards as well. So all you have to see that this is the best platform. And here's something I really love is the trading, their trading competitions, their rewards to top traders, and many more things they are giving to the users. So this is the best platform. You can buy and sell crypto in minutes. You can buy and sell and manage cryptocurrencies in just few clicks whenever you want, wherever you go. Enjoy non-stop transactions with the crypto trading platform at very low fees. So this is the best thing. All of this is built on a fast, secure, and ultra smooth interface that works for the both beginners and pros. Now remember that the 25 USDT welcome bonus is only for the first 2 million users. So this is the best. You can create this certificate portfolio with all your favorite cryptocurrencies, no fees, no hassles. Get multiple asset crypto, smooth, seamless trading in cryptocurrency exchanges. The security, you can trust that you can trade and make fast here. Here you can see how to get started in 1 minute. You can sign up and create your free GetX account here. You can see that 100 plus countries supported, $1 million plus trading volume, and user registration is mentioned here. So you can join the GetX voting list as well. Here we can see we have the mention here. And now here we are going to get, so here all of this is built on a fast and just an ultra smooth interface that works for both beginners and pros. And head over to the website. You can sign up, finish, and KYC claim your 25 USDT from here. So you are going to get more links, more here. And at last here we have the social channels of the project. You can join to their social channels. You can follow them on Twitter, Telegram, and their Instagram, Discord server link. So you will get more rewards and more details of the project at the time and think. I've already remind you that this is the remember that you are going to get 25 USDT. Welcome bonus is only for the first 2 million users. So I've already claimed mine and I'm honestly loving this experience so far. So you don't wait. If you want to free crypto, you should definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earning with GetX.